apple or rose apple, Syzygium malaccense, is a medium-sized tropical plant species belonging to the guava genus, Syzygium. The exact origin of this plant is unknown. However, its scientific name contains the word malaccense, which suggests its origin, specifically from the region around Malaya. In English, the guava also includes the word Malaya, and the fruit is referred to as Malay apple. The name Malaya is associated with the fruit in other languages, possibly stemming from its first discovery in the Malay region by Europeans. This plant has also been widely cultivated for a long time in the Malay Peninsula, Sumatra, and Java. The primary use of Malay apple, of course, as a food source. It is consumed when ripe. The outer surface of the ripe fruit is dark red to reddish-black. The flesh has a high water content. The flavor of this ripe fruit is predominantly sweet, with a hint of sourness and astringency. The flesh of the Malay apple can be eaten raw, or it can also be made into rujak, a salad dish, or pickled. The Malay apple tree has a straight, upright stem with numerous branches. Branches are often low to the ground. The crown of this tree forms a long cone-shaped shape that tapers toward the top. The Malay apple tree can grow to a height of approximately 15 meters. The bark, or bark, is light to dark gray. The bark of the Malay apple tree can be used to treat mouth ulcers. The wood of this Malay apple tree is classified as hardwood, making it suitable for use as a building material or furniture. The plant's roots consist of a large taproot attached to fibrous roots. The leaves are single, arranged in parallel or in pairs. They have a smooth surface, are medium-sized, oval to oblong, thick, and somewhat stiff. They can reach 38 centimeters in length and 20 centimeters in width. Young leaves are reddish. Then older leaves are dark and glossy green, and the undersides are pale green. The Malay apple leaf stalks are short, thick, and large with a bright green color. The compound inflorescence of the Malay apple or rose apple fruit emerges from leafless branches, where leaf stalks once stood. The flowers are short-stalked and grow in clusters. A cluster can contain up to 12 flowers. Malay apple fruit is reddish-purple or pink. It has numerous stamens and a single pistil in the center of the flower. The calyx tube is up to 2 centimeters long and oval, oblong, or round in shape. This calyx tube will eventually become pollinated and form the fruit. The exterior of young Malay apple fruit is greenish-white, turning dark red to blackish-red when ripe. The young fruit has thin, firm flesh that is astringent and unpleasant to eat. Ripe fruit has a thick, white, juicy, soft-textured interior with a predominantly sweet, slightly sour, and slightly astringent flavor. This flesh encloses a brown seed in the center. Malay apple seeds are inedible, but they can be used as propagation material.